Hello, my dear Geminis, and welcome to Divine Enchantress. This is your Divine Enchantress with your month of August detailed love readings. Alright, so this is to see what the month of August has in store for your love, romance, and relationships. Please keep in mind that these are all general readings that I post, so they may or may not resonate with all of you. So take them however that they resonate, and I really hope that they do. I apologize if they do not. Alright, so let's see for Gemini what is in store for your month of August in love and relationships. And for all the new subscribers, I welcome you all to the channel. And I also, I would like to tell you that every Sundays, Indian Standard Time, I go live for your general weekly readings. So just stay in touch with our channel and enjoy all that we have to offer. Alright. So Geminis in love, let's see what message is in store for August, and that is romantic feelings. Beautiful. Your feelings are real and worth exploring, Gemini. This is great. And let's see what more can be expected from Geminis. And with romantic feelings, from the whispers of love, we have, my dear Geminis, we have like attracts like. If you long for more love, be more loving. Beautiful. So this is moreover a soulmate connection, I feel, because there are romantic feelings and you're attracting what you are like. But you have to make sure, with the law of attraction, Gemini, you have to make sure that you are extremely positive, all right, and extremely you are thinking about what you want and are not focusing on what you do not want or expect. All right, let's see with the Rider Waite what messages are in detail for your August 2020. So for my Geminis, let's see what I can come across with. And we have, alright, so for Geminis for month of August 2020, beautiful. Alright, so Gemini is stepping up, and I would say that you are being you are being available. Alright, in the first scale, I feel that for most of you, apologize if it does not resonate, okay? But for most of you, you are being open-minded. You are being there, you are at the giving end of this scenario. Finally, you are giving chances to people, I feel, Gemini. Intuitively, for most of you, I feel that, you've chosen to give chances to new people, or to situations, or to people, or just be there for people. Alright, just for a change, you are being there for people, Geminis, and making certain changes which are very swift. Alright, so I would say, Geminis, whatever that it is that you're trying to attract into your life, or whoever this person is, know that, even if you are doing everything, alright, to reach this person at a very, very good pace, or this could be the energy of this person that is trying to reach you, alright, know that with everything assured, that these feelings, these romantic feelings are worth exploring. These emotions are worth exploring, and it is not going to go wasted, even if it takes more time than you usually thought it would be. All right, but Geminis, know that even if it takes longer than usual, then it's not something that you have to give up on. So for most Geminis, if you are crushing on someone, if you are single, or if you have certain amount of clarity about your feelings about someone, please do not give up. Even for those who are in a relationship, know that every aspect or every contribution, be it negative or positive, that you make to your relationship, that's exactly what reciprocates back to you. So make very sure that however you are investing in a particular relationship, it's just what you want from it. So if you give respect, if you give love, that's what comes many folds into your life. All right, and even if you are watching for your wonderful or your Geminis in your life, if you're a cross watcher, know that you have to offer them with clarity, because with Gemini being an air sign, they are all about a lot of clarity. They cannot you cannot just trick them into assuming, or you cannot wait for your Geminis to assume, because they are not into mind reading. You either speak your mind or you leave. That's exactly, because with my personal experiences with my friends who are Geminis, I would say that it's much better that you do not wait for them to understand you telepathically. No, do not do that. All right, just say and leave. Because if there are romantic feelings, say to the special someone. Let's see for the outcome of August, Geminis, what you guys have in store as the outcome for love in August. And my dear Gemini is beautiful. So when, as I said, when the right effort is made, it will be reciprocated, coming out of a lot of confusion. And definitely, as I said, you are being available for people, you're being available for circumstances, Gemini, which is a beautiful thing. You are reciprocating to feelings that people are showing towards you, or maybe at the very divine timing you are understanding the right true intentions of people and their feelings, which is so beautiful. So Geminis, I would say, even if things do take time, even if there are delays, do not give up, and know that your manifestation skills are maybe heightened for some of you. So constantly focus upon what you want from your special someone or from your relationship. All right, for both who are single, as well as in a committed, or as well as in any situation that you are, your feelings or this person's feelings, they're real, they're mature, and they're worth exploring. So make the right, so if you intuitively, or if you have this hunch, if you feel this push to make the right efforts for this person, to communicate, to make it all, to sort the differences and everything, then do it, Gemini. Because this is like August, I would say, is a pretty good time, if I have to say, because things are escalating. Each effort you make is escalating in a very good scale, even if you are not consciously seeing these things, but subconsciously they are escalating for you to have your romantic feelings reciprocate. This is so beautiful. So touch wood, I hope this resonates with all of you, and if it does, please to show your love and support to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Also, I wish you all a very safe and healthy month of August 2020, with lots of love from Divine Enchantress. Stay connected and in touch with my channel, because it really motivates me. Alright, Gemini, I will see you very soon again for your weekly as well as your mid-month, mid-August readings. So stay updated with the channel. Love you all and blessed to be. Bye bye.